more malicious conspiracy theories have entered our homes, workplaces, and even the halls of Congress. So you might not be surprised to learn that more than 1 million people have become followers of a conspiracy theory that birds aren't real.
This one here, I must admit, caught me off guard. I mean, yeah, I've heard things and seen TikToks about this subject. But would have never guessed that they were true.
Are you sure the birds you'd see in the sky are not drones? Flying bird drones been around for decades and could currently be spying on you.
So much for a conspiracy theory, that is.